Hi, my name's Roslyn, and I am here with my sous chef. What's your name?
Eric Mitchell.
And what are we gonna do first, Derek?
I don't know.
What are we looking at?
Potato. I'm gonna do the little one.
You wanna do the little one? Okay, well let me cut off the ends first. So what we're gonna start with is some sweet potatoes. And so most of the things that I'm gonna be working on for my meal prep this week are pretty simple, basic items that are my go-to when I don't have a lot of time. So I'll start by just cutting off the ends.
Now can I do it now?
I'm gonna let you use the fork.
Wow. I want it.
There you go. What you gonna do with it?
I can't. You cannot. My dad said. I say to myself, you cannot cut with your. You cannot cut with a fork.
You're supposed to cut with it. You're supposed to scan it. Ready?
Wow.
So you just hold it, but be careful. Very good. Turn it. Okay, turn it. Okay, turn it again. Great job.
Ah!
Is it stuck?
No.
Okay, so what's next, G? What are we gonna put it in?
That, but I have to put.
Yes, so we have to spray, right? So let's move this out of the way for a second. Are we gonna use one or both of them? I usually cook with a combination of both canola oil and olive oil because olive oil, hold on, baby.
Both.
Olive oil has a tendency to burn quickly. And so if you mix it in with a little canola oil, you can really get better results for the duration of your cooking, whatever it is.
Okay,
so you spray inside a little bit. You got it? Awesome, that's enough.
And there?
And then just do the canola oil.
Where?
On top of the potatoes. There you go, good job. Shake it up a little bit. There we go. And turn it. All right, does it look like it's done?
What about pepper?
Okay, do it. Good job, awesome. So once you spray them, it's really simple with sweet potatoes. I don't put anything else on them. I bake them at 400 degrees. Yes, for an hour.
So can I put an hour on it?
Yes, you can. So one of the main things you need to have when you're starting a meal prep for the week is making sure that you have enough storage containers, and they really don't cost that much. The ones I have are Rubbermaid, and I picked these up from the grocery store, and they come in all different sizes. So these particular ones happen to be 2.9 cups each, and then I also have these, which I really like for my son because they have separate containers, and you know kids don't like stuff to touch. So these have been really helpful in preparing meal preps for myself as well as for my family. So another one of my staples is for breakfast purposes. I do not have a lot of time, and I usually make boiled eggs, and I eat probably 1 to 2 boiled eggs every single morning. And my small person, he does the same, so I end up boiling at least 8 to 10 eggs every single week. And everybody, I would hope, knows how to boil an egg, but you just throw them into some water, and once the water reaches a boil, you're gonna let them boil approximately 8 to 9 minutes. Then take them out of the water and put them in cold water until they stop cooking, and then I throw them in the fridge and they're ready to go. So once you have boiled the vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes, you drain them. And in order to blanch them, you need to immediately put cold ice water. Let them cool off, stop cooking. That's what keeps them nice and fresh and vibrant. So once you drain all of this water out, you want to let them dry a little bit. I'll spread it out. Towel. And just let them dry to get some of the liquid and water off of them for a few minutes. And they're pretty much cooled down at this point, so they're good for now. All right, so for the meal prep for this week, I'm gonna be doing 3 different proteins. So we'll have some grilled shrimp with a little bit of garlic and lemon oil, some grilled salmon, as well as grilled chicken. Last but not least, I'm gonna do our chicken. Grilled chicken, real simple. Once it's seasoned, you just put a little bit of oil on the grill, which again is gonna be that mixture of olive oil and canola oil. Spread them around. And let's put our chicken on 1 piece at a time. So at the end of the day, I have enough meals to last me throughout the week, and they're pretty much ready to go. So this week we're gonna have our shrimp and grilled chicken, and the salmon with some quinoa and vegetables, and sweet potato with crab cakes and veggies. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this helps you have a better idea of how to easily create and pre-prep your meals for the rest of the week. Thanks.